Hello, thank you for joining me for another Festo product review. Today we're going to be checking out these HW Star LED headlights. Today's video is only an unboxing video, so I will be opening these up, showing them to you, giving you my initial impressions, and reading the specifications. If you'd like to check out a video of me installing them on the pickup truck, a 1996 Nissan hardbody, check the other videos below. Let me start with the reason I got these headlights out of all the other headlights on the market. That's pretty simple for me. I noticed that all of the postal service vehicles in my area were being switched over from halogen lights to LED lights. So I stopped the postman one day and I asked him about the lights. Number one, what did he think about them? He said they were very bright. He could see well down the road, off to both sides very good, and had a really nice cutoff line where the light went. So he really liked them. He said it was like daytime when you were driving out there, and the color was a lot more soothing to his eye. I asked him if they had any problems with them, and he said he had not, and they'd been using them for several months. There was no buildup of water on the inside of them. They looked well made, so I said, okay, I'll give them a try. I took the number off the lens, looked them up on Amazon, and was able to purchase my own for under $100. Let's check them out. Oh, yeah. All right, they got a little manual in here that I imagine tells you what they're all about. Let me read it. Specifications. It's 12 to 24 volts DC, 6000K color temperature, 6500 lumens on low beam, 9500 lumens on high beam. Got a polycarbonate plastic lens, aluminum alloy casing. They're IP67 rated, waterproof, and they have a DOT approved certification, which means that they'll pass inspection. Oh, they look awesome. They look awesome. So, yeah, this is the light. They're a lot heavier than I thought they'd be. Here, let me pull that off. They're a lot heavier than I thought they'd be. They're about the same size physically as a original halogen light. They got real thick aluminum fins back here. It's powder-coated black. Really nice plug. It came with an extra plug in case you wanted to use all pigtails. It plugs into a standard H4 socket. And it's got an extra wire for daytime running lamps and one for the signal light, which are also built into here. So you have a daytime running lamp, signal light, high beam, and low beam all in one housing. Very cool. Yeah, they both look like really, really well made. I can't wait to install them on the vehicle. These have 180 watts in them of power. So I will do a video installing them on a 1996 Nissan pickup truck. And I'll show what the original lights look like and what these look like afterwards. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I'd like it if you could give it a thumbs up, if you don't mind, and even leave me a comment in the comment section below. It'll help the channel. And hopefully I can start doing some more of these product reviews. Thank you very much. GreggFesto out.